Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Node, JS 18 Plus, and a Next.js project. Once done, add Tailwind packages and run the init command to generate config files. Then import the generated global CSS in pages/app.js so Tailwind utilities are available. Make sure to enable JIT in your config and set content paths to include pages, components, and app folders. This speeds development and prevents unused styles. Finally, run dev and confirm a Tailwind class shows expected styles in the browser. You now build responsive components using Tailwind's mobile-first classes. Start with base styles and layer SM, MD, LG modifiers as screen widens. Use flex and grid for layout. Set grid calls 1 then MD, grid calls 2, for example, to change structure gracefully. Once done, apply responsive spacing and text sizes so elements scale predictably. Make components composable with utility-first classes and extract repeated patterns into reusable components or class variants to keep markup concise and maintainable as complexity grows. You finish by polishing accessibility and performance. Swap img for next/image and define sizes and layout to serve responsive images. Then run next build to verify production CSS is purged and performance budgets hold. Once done, deploy to a platform that supports edge functions. If something breaks, inspect Tailwind class collisions first, confirm Tailwind. Config. JS content includes all JSX/TSX paths and clear build cache before rebuilding. That one troubleshooting step solves most missing style issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.